Welcome back to Inside the Playbook. So today we're going to cover the Business Owner Hub. And this hub is designed for our clients and now yours to be able to go in there and empower themselves and to give them baseline information, education, resources, tools, calculators, just enough that they empower themselves to come back to us with the correct questions and have a valuable advisory discussion. So a lot of times with our clients, we pour it a lot heavily into them in the beginning. And the more we've done that, the more we're able to make over time because we're able to actually grow with them. And that's the important foundational piece. It's a lot of time and effort, and that's why we created this hub to centralize it and make it really easy to use. So we'll go through a couple of things that we actually offer through here. So first we have this recommended workflow. They can learn the fundamentals, access resources, use our tools and calculators, and then join the network, which is these last two options there, drives them to join the network. Within doing that, they'll get free reminders, free deadline updates, free workflows, so accountable plan, business tax budget, or estimated taxes, and reminders when those are due, just giving them a recurring system to stay in tune. And all they have to do is bookmark the BizTax Playbook email or put it into a separate folder. So let's look at the Learn the Fundamentals first. So we click on that. This education center has a bunch of videos we've been creating over the last year, and they can go through it now within categories and start to learn different topics that they're interested in learning about. And this gives them a lot of baseline, valuable information that allows them to actually learn about things and then come back to us and say, look, can I implement this? This sounds interesting. What does this look like? And you can start to drive your advisory initiatives from there. So if we go back here to the Business Owner Hub, next thing we'll check out is our Resource Center. This Resource Center is basically just some valuable resources they can have, tax rates. This is good for us as well, but we keep it on both sides. Two sides of our platform is to have an open side that anybody can access, including ourselves, and have our advisor side that only we can access. So these things are all on the open side as well as the advisor side as well. If you're ever logged in and go to the advisor resources, we'll have those plus additional ones as well. But they can learn different things. Tax Payment Hub, we provide this within our TaxDome pipeline. So we actually go through and just provide the Tax Payment Hub. Every quarter we're doing payments, or now year end, we'll update that. So all of our messages drive right to the Tax Payment Hub, so we no longer have to send links to clients. Now, if we go back once more, we have our tools and calculators. So this tools and calculators will give them first an overview of different ones that they want to stay tuned with here, but then they can go to view all tools and see an entire panel of them. But our business tax budgeter, we'll go over this tool in a later video, accountable plan tools, estimated tax safe harbor tools. We give them baselines to be able to do things simply, especially for accountants that aren't really charging for it. So for us, we don't charge to do tax budgeting. Some CFOs and bookkeepers might. They can incorporate that into their services. But we give our clients a business tax budgeter, and then they're able to go in there and budget for taxes like a W-2 essentially. And they withhold their tax amount every quarter, every year they have the amounts. Accountable plans, we didn't have time to calculate and run those reimbursements for them. So we gave them the tools to be able to do so. And now we're empowering those workflows while streamlining our work and compliance as well. So that's pretty much what this Business Owner Hub is about. It's just empowering them with all these baseline resources so that way it makes our jobs easier, and it really has done wonders for us, and we hope it does the same for you. So stay tuned for next week, and we're going to drop another resource to empower your advisory business.